For the first equation, we have to multiply both sides by the lowest common multiple of 3 and 2 so that I can get rid of these fractions. Okay, so multiply both sides by 6. Okay, so doing so, this becomes 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 18. For here, we have to multiply both sides by 6 times 5. Okay, that's 30. Doing that, we end up getting 5x plus 6y is equal to 90. Okay. And now we want to get rid of one of the variables. Okay, so let's get rid of the y variable here. What we need to do is multiply the top equation by 2, right? So that this becomes now 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 36. Okay, so then if we do that, right? If I add this equation with this one, the y's disappear. Okay, so once I add these two equations, right? Adding these two, 4x plus 5x gives me 9x. These cancel out. Minus 36 plus 90, right, gives me 54. Dividing both sides by 9, I end up getting 6. Okay, so let's plug this back into any of these equations, really. And it seems like this one might be the easiest. So let's plug it into here. Plugging in for x, we get this. Okay, multiplying it through. And now we have to subtract both sides by 12. Okay. Doing that, we end up getting minus 30. So dividing both sides by minus 3, we get easily 10.